Call. Place your bets. 1,200 meters is the distance with the favorite Oroquieta. All set now, ready to race. Race number 6. Santa Ana Park. Anytime now, race number 6, and the race is on. It's a jump start beginning for the favorite Oroquieta. From the outside is Gone with the Wind Classic Kit Kat. Then here comes Lakewood, then followed in by Señales. Magdapio is racing in 6 by about 2 lengths. Angelus, the reason why, Alleluia, and Statuesque. And inside the last 850, Oroquieta by a length and a half, followed by Gone with the Wind. Lakewood is racing in third by about 2 lengths, and running down already inside is Classic Kit Kat. And here comes Señales as they race the last 550. Oroquieta by about 2 lengths, followed now by Lakewood in second. Señales, Classic Kit Kat as they race the final corner. Oroquieta, Gone with the Wind on the outside, fighting for the lead. Gone with the Wind, burning the tracks on the outside. Oroquieta, Angelus, entering the finish line. It's number 9, Lakewood, Angelus, Señales, Oroquieta, and Classic Kit Kat. Pentafect.